Hello, in this video I'll be showing how you can use my brush to retouch actions to retouch skin faster when it comes to Photoshop. So in this video I'll be showing how you can easily retouch this very image in just few seconds, and it's going to be helping you save time. And if at all you're interested in buying or purchasing these actions, simply check the link in the description of this video so that you can support the channel by purchasing these actions to quicken or fasten your retouching process when it comes to Photoshop. So when you open up your Photoshop, simply import an image into your Photoshop before importing the actions to Photoshop. So make sure your Photoshop has been opened and import an image. And after importing the image, simply come right here to window and make sure actions is checked. So just come to window and make sure actions is checked. And in order to import these actions, make sure you first of all unzip the folder that you download after purchasing the actions. Then come to these lines and simply come right here to load actions, and you can locate where the actions have been unzipped to. So click on that and click on open, and immediately the actions are going to be imported into your Photoshop. So these actions are going to be 3 in number. So I'll be showing you you can easily apply them or edit a photo in just seconds by simply brushing over the skin. So when we look at this very image, this is more of a close-up kind of portrait. So we are simply going to come to the close-up brush to retouch action, and we're simply going to hit or click on the play button. And you can see it has created for us these layers, and what is left is simply getting the brush tool and make sure you have black and white on these two color swatches. So if I told you have any other random color, you can simply press D on the keyboard or simply left click on these tiny swatches and make sure white is the top color or the color on top by using the arrow key. So make sure the mode is normal, opacity at 100%, flat about 66 or 67%. So what you have to do in this case is simply increasing on the brush and simply painting on the skin. So this is all you have to do. So use your brush tool and simply paint on the skin, and remember to keep on increasing or reducing on the size of the brush tool depending on the area or how big the area you're trying to brush on is. And the other catch is don't brush close to the edges, because sometimes it may cause a little bit of fringing on the edges of your image. So I'll just increase and paint on the neck area just like that. And by just doing this, you can see that we are retouching the skin in a faster way while maintaining the original details in the skin. So I'll be showing you the before and after for just a few seconds that I've been able to brush on the skin. So just come up here so you can see the before, after, before, after, before, after. You can see how smooth the skin has gotten to be or to look. So if at all you have any blemishes or imperfections, you can first of all remove the blemishes before you play the action, or you can remove the blemishes after brushing over the skin. So for this case, you're simply going to come to the texture layer and come to the brush, the spot healing brush tool rather. Then make sure the mode is set to normal, opacity at 100%, flat 100%. Make sure aligned is checked and sample is set to current layer. So you have to zoom in. Remember, you have selected the texture layer or the layer that is containing textures, and you can come and remove the blemishes. So to remove this pimple, hold down the option key on the keyboard and left click on a clean area near the pimple or the blemish and click over that blemish to eliminate it. So option left click to copy clean skin and release the option key on the keyboard and click over the pimple or the blemish once again to replace that blemish with clean skin. So make sure you clean up or remove the pimples or blemishes from the skin, and you're going to be good to go. And the other thing that I've forgotten to show you, if at all, for example, you brushed on an area that you did not want to brush and you have made a mistake, this is going to be a non-destructive way of editing. So just come and select this layer mask and switch the brush back to black get the brush tool. So black is going to erase any effect that you want to rub from the skin. So we can erase what we edited initially before, or by switching the brush back to white. White can paint back the effect once again. So black as a foreground color is going to erase, and white is going to be painting the smoothing effect over the skin once again. So this is how you can easily install and use these actions to fasten or quicken your retouching process when it comes to Photoshop. And if at all you have a medium portrait or full portrait, you can follow the same steps that we have used in this kind of demonstration. So if at all you're interested in purchasing these actions, simply check the link in the description of this video, or you can drop a comment in the comment section so that I can paste the link for you, or I can reply with the link for you to buy or purchase these actions, and you're going to be benefiting at the end of it all. So this is it for this video, and don't forget to keep practicing and also keep creating.